After confirming relationship, what's next for Julia Montes, Coco Martin? Kapamilya actress Julia Montes is not rushing anything in her relationship with Coco Martin despite admitting their long-rumored romance. In an interview with Push, Montes said she is just enjoying the blessings they have been receiving. No rush with everything basta focused on what blessing na binigay ngayon for this year, for whatever moment na nandito ngayon. Yun lang, she said. The actress added that she wants to enjoy their journey first. Happy lang ako sa life. Siguro masasabi ko lahat ng nangyayari po sa buhay ko. Never kong ini-expect and never kong ini-imagine na ganon yung mangyayari when it comes to, in general, lahat, sa work, sa life, lahat ng mga dini-dreams ko, more than pa sa mga nangyayari. Super thankful and I'm very happy talaga, she said. Last May, Martin confirmed that they are in a 12-year relationship much to the delight of their fans who had long been waiting for the announcement. Montes cited their faith as an important part of their relationship. Kung ano po yung posisyon namin, or narating namin ngayon, blessed kami. And never kasing nawala sa center si God so parang lahat ng nangyayaring good stuff, si God ang gumawa noon, she said. Martin and Montes were first paired on screen in the 2012 teleserye, Walang Hanggan,